welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Then become a part of the innocent squad.
What's up, innocent squad? It's your girl, Little Star Nia, and I look kind of rough right now, but I'm about to get right because I gotta go to a kind of job interview. So let's get into this video. So you guys, this video will be really quick because I have to go. I have like 10 to 20 minutes. So we're reviewing for the hair Comfreel, and Comfreel is a company on Amazon, and they sent me this very nice heavy wig. So let's see the wig. In this bag, they gave us two cute heavy-ends. Can't wait to try them on. Let's open up the wig itself. Comfreel 14-inch wig. Okay, and this is how it looks. So I brushed my hair off camera, and now we're gonna get into putting the wig on, you guys. So you guys, the clips inside the wig is a Velcro strap, right? Then we have three clips right here in the front to secure, and we have one clip in the back. So now let's put this wig on. Guys, we now have the wig on, and I'm gonna be doing my edges, and I got this edge control from my beauty supply store. It's an edge fixer, and it has hemp seed and cannabis sativa. I think it's like a CBD thing. So we're gonna put the edges now. So you guys, I'm actually editing this video a couple hours later, and my edges is still put, and no gel ever held my edges. So I do recommend it, edge gel. You guys, it's coming out like a worm. Guys, now I have my edges, and this edge gel seems good so far. We're gonna see how it lasts. I think it said 24-hour. Yeah, it says 24-hour hold. So now I'm just gonna put some curls in this wig, because body wave, I really don't do good body wave. I don't know, it just don't look right on me. So I'm just gonna curl up a little bit. So let's watch that. And don't be coming for my curling iron, because there was a dent on it, but I broke it off. So, and this is not dirty or anything, it's discoloration. Now let's watch you. Woo! Guys, so I got the curls, and as you guys seen in the last video, I had a body wave wig and I straightened it, then curled it. But with this body wave, I didn't straighten it, and I think that the curls came out better. But Now let's try on the headbands and see which one we want to wear. So let's get into it. So y'all, this was headband number 1, and it was cute, but I just didn't wear it to the interview. I wore headband number 2. Now we going to headband number 2. You guys, I like this headband. I'll be back later. So you guys, I'm back, and they gave us a free gift card for a store. So I'm going to that store right now. So just stay tuned. And you guys, the wig I am wearing is inside of the description below. My hair is still good. The curls are still in there. Yes, period. So LSN squad, I am back at home, and wish me luck to get this job. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, become a part of the LSN squad. Tell your mother, your father, your sister, brother, everybody to subscribe. On the road to 200 subscribers, we will have more hair videos and more content coming to the channel. So with that being said, LSN squad, we out. You guys also remember that I'm looking in the comments to see who is dropping them red hearts if YouTube don't put my comments off. And with that being said,